This is what I mean when I say I want to go soft glam. Look at this beauty. Hey beauties, and welcome back to my channel. I initially wanted this video to be just makeup tutorial, but then I changed my mind and switched it up to a vlog. Now hear me out please. Now I didn't want this video to just be about me showing you the makeup. I also wanted you guys to see what my makeup would be like for the rest of today. I don't know if that makes sense. So yeah, with that, let's just dive right into the video. So to clean my face, I'll be using the Nivea Perfect and Radiant Eventone 3-in-1 micellar water. It's actually raining now. I don't know if you guys can hear the rain, but today I was invited to attend the grand opening of Nominee's Artistry Beauty Lounge. It's going to be an evening event, so I'll be going for a soft look, which means my prepping is key. So to moisturize my face, I'll be starting with the Mariobadescuskincare facial spray. I'll let that settle in for a bit. Then I'll be going in with my Omaricode Hydrate Moisturizer. Oh, it's almost finished. Please, in this Tinubu era, please don't finish. Oh, please something came out. I don't have strength to buy anything now because the prices of these things, hey God. At the makeup fair, I was just seeing prices and I wanted to cry because I know how much I bought some makeup products earlier this year at the Abuja Makeup Fair. Looking at the prices now.
If I no laugh, I go cry. So it's better I laugh, even if I have to force it.
I'll be going in with my Nivea Perfect and Radiant Eventone Day Cream. And why I'm using this is because it has an SPF. So I just want to be sure that my skin is well protected because I don't understand the heat in this Owerri nowadays. I'll be going off to prime my face, and starting off I'll be using the Omaricode Hydrating Face Primer. I'll be using this for my T-zone and the rest of my face except my under eye. So I want to say something, even if you have a dry skin, make sure that you prime your face at least with a hydrating primer. So next up I'll be using this Rimmel London Stay Matte. What is this? Please don't finish. So I'll be priming my T-zone with that. Now I got this Omaricode matte o'clock at the makeup fair and I want to try it out now. I just hope that it is not too matte for my skin. But let's just put it to a test because this is my first time of using it since I got it. So I'll just use it on my T-zone. I'll just rub it the rest of my face. To set everything in, I'll be using the Omaricode Skin Mist Setting Spray. Woo! Be generous with your spray. Now before I go in with my foundation, I just wanted to color correct my hyperpigmented areas, especially my under eyes, and then I think part of this area. So for my foundation, I'll be going in with BeautybyAD in the shade Bad 02, my Maybelline SuperStay in the shade 330, and my Maybelline FitMe in the shade 340. Now I want to go for a full coverage look today, so that's why I'm combining these three foundations because they would help me achieve that. I just need one pump of that, 2 pumps of this, a little of this. That skin match now. Next up, I'll be concealing my face and I'll be using the Milani concealer in the shade 155. So I'll just be applying that and let it hang in for a bit while I go. brighter under eye, I'll be going in with my Yanga Beauty Concealer in the shade SMC2, and I'll just apply a little here and a little there. So as I'm waiting for that to set in, I'll just go ahead to contour my nose. Now to set my under eye, I'll be going in with the Merak Cosmetics setting powder in the shade Ginger. I'll be using my beauty blender to sort of just press it in. To powder my face, I'll be using the Milani Minerals in the shade Medium. For my bronzer, I'll be going in with my Milani Minerals in the shade 110. For my blush, I'll be going in with the Nubanbeauty Ultra Palette. I'll be using the shade Obudu. To bake my face, I'll be going in with the Merak Cosmetics in the shade Ginger. For my eyeshadow, I'll be going in with my Morphe eyeshadow palette, and I'll be starting off with this shade for my crease area. So for my eyes, I'll be going in with something subtle, more like a brown-like eyeshadow with a little shine. I hope I'm not blocking with this my mirror, please forgive me. But I have to see what I'm doing. I hope that's not too much. So this is actually my first time of doing my eyeshadow before my eyebrows, because it's trending and I decided to try it out today. You guys are doing this with me for the first time. Just help me pray that it doesn't turn out bad, because it's going to pain me. So next up, I'll be priming my eyes with this Sandy's eyeshadow base. Now that we're done with eyeshadow, we'll move over to eyebrows, and I'll be going in with my Davis eye pencil. I've actually seen a lot of videos where some makeup artists use eyebrow gel, some even use eyeshadow. But I'll just go in with my eye pencil for a start, because this is my first time, just in case I make a mistake. I'll just fill in my hairs before lining it. Sometimes I line my eyebrows before filling it. Sometimes I just fill it before lining it. So it just depends on the mood. Okay, it's coming out well. It's coming out better than I thought. I might not even need to conceal, but let's just see how that goes. Let's do this other eye. If I like the outcome, then I wouldn't conceal. Okay, this really came out nice. I think I'll just conceal a little tiny bit, just the lower side, just to make it a little bit brighter. And for my concealer, I'll be using Milani in the shade 155. I really love this method. I don't know why I've been sleeping on this method for a long time. Anyway, it's not been a long time. I think it's a trend that started like middle this year, I think, or maybe early this year, if I'm not mistaken. But I think for you to do this style, you have to be good with your eyebrows, so that you don't make a mistake and end up cleaning everything, including your eyeshadow. I beg you, it's not me that sent you. Just stick with your eyebrows first. So before I dust off the excess powders, I'll just go in with my lip first. And to line my lip, I'll be going in with my Davis eye pencil. So for the inner corners of my lip, I'll be using... Yeah, I'm hearing that song. So as I was saying, for the inner corners of my lip, I'll be using this Eye Magic palette. I'll be starting off with this shade. I actually promised you guys a video on knowing the right shade lipstick for your undertone. So that video will either come before this one or after this one. I think I need this a little bit brighter, so I'm just going with this one. Yeah, this is it. So before I line my lip, I'll go ahead to dust off the excess powders. So I didn't realize that my mic wasn't on, but I glossed my lip using the Paula Beauty in the shade Ijeoma and Ire. Can you guys still hear that song playing in the background? I think slowly I'm beginning to enjoy it. So to set this whole look up, I'll be using my Omaricode Skin Mist Setting Spray. Be generous with your setting spray. So I'll let that set in for a bit by with my eyes so it doesn't spoil my eyeshadow. So now that my makeup has settled in, I'll go it. Hold on. Hey, oh Lord, it's whatever, just giving me jams. So here was I. To highlight my face, I'll be going in with my Tehila Cosmetics in the shade Fantasy. Is that what you? The blood of Jesus. Oh, got that glow. I'm ready to blind my enemies. Woo! Look at this beauty. Look at this beauty. This is what I mean when I say I want to go soft glam. Look at everything. Look how the makeup just. As I'm looking at myself in the mirror, I just want to eat me up. Oh my god. Now that we're done with the whole makeup, we need to lock in all this beauty. I'm talking about the Super Cosmetics Waterproof Locking Mist. And I'm just going to... Whew, one thing I hate about this is the smell, but I promise you, it works. The way I just go about it is before you spray, try to hold your breath as you're spraying it. Man, beauty is not easy. So one thing I love about this product is it will lock in your makeup and still maintain that glow. You guys can see the glow. If you cannot stop, bring it closer, you must see it. So yeah, now that I'm done with my makeup, I need to figure out an outfit to wear and also try to fix my hair. So I'll see you guys soon. Bye. How do I look, guys? Wait, let me go back so you guys can see my complete outfit. So I'm actually waiting for the bold guy now. I'll see you guys at the event. Bye. So guys, the party is over now and I'm currently waiting for my boat guy. You can tell from the video that I had so much fun at this event and my makeup did not even move. If you love the makeup tutorial and also the vlog, please don't forget to like this video, and I'm currently on my way to 1,000 subscribers, so please subscribe to enjoy more beauty, eye health and lifestyle content. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.